World History General Knowledge Questions and Answers. Question. Who was the first President of the United States? Answer. George Washington. Question. In which year did the Titanic sink? Answer. 1912. Question. What event marked the beginning of World War I? Answer. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria in 1914. Question. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Answer. Amelia Earhart. Question. Which ancient civilization built the Great Pyramids of Giza? Answer. Ancient Egyptians. Question. What was the capital of the Byzantine Empire? Answer. Constantinople. Modern-day Istanbul. Question. Who wrote the famous play, Romeo and Juliet? Answer. William Shakespeare. Question. Which explorer led the first expedition to circumnavigate the globe? Answer. Ferdinand Magellan. Question. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? Answer. 1989. Question. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Answer. Marie Curie.